I have
Oh, you have
homework and
class.
a test tomorrow.
Oh, you have a long, long homework and a class with me, and tomorrow's, is that a test or what was that?
Yeah, long homework test tomorrow. Also, memorial test tomorrow.
Oh, I
Also,
see. So after our class, are you going to sleep already?
yes, I sleep
Yeah.
healthy.
Oh, yeah. Basically, you need to sleep already so that at least you'll lessen the stress that you're feeling right now so that you have enough rest and you can freshen up the day by tomorrow. Okay, so now let's start with our class. Are you ready?
Um,
Are you ready?
I
All
am
right.
ready.
Okay, so teacher will be sharing the screen and please give me a few moments. Okay, so how about that? Can you see our screen?
Yes, I can see on the screen.
Okay, so can you see our lesson?
Yes, I also can see your lessons.
All right, that's great. Okay, so as the previous teacher put in the what we call this one in the note that you're going to have the exercise to vocabulary. Okay, so listen and
Okay.
repeat these words with your tutor, which is me. And if you don't know a word, ask me to read the definition and example of the sentence. Okay, we got here our first word,
Exhausted.
Um,
exhausted.
exhausted.
Okay, so can you tell me what is an exhausted?
Exhausted. I think it's kind of like tired,
All
like
right. So how about
feeling
you? Okay.
like don't want to move.
Oh, so how about you? Are you exhausted tonight?
Yes, I also exhausted. I am so exhausted.
I'm so very, very, very exhausted. Okay, so that's great, Todd. So exhausted means feeling very tired, both physically and mentally. Usually after doing a lot of work, a lot of stress, or a lot of activity. So that's great, Anne. Okay, so now how about our next word?
Refreshed.
Uh, refresh.
Okay, what is refreshed?
Refresh is like a feeling and energetic, like
All right.
feeling like strong again.
Like you
Or,
mean energetic.
yeah.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, so what
Yes.
else?
What else? Um, uh, Refresh is like not like it's like a engineer and also feeling relaxing also.
All right. So refreshed means feeling rested, feeling energized, and renewed. Okay. Usually after sleeping, after relaxing, or after taking a break. So, Tan, after our class tonight, you need to sleep early, you need to relax, and you need to take a rest break so that tomorrow you won't be stressed or feeling tired. Okay. So next word.
Groggy.
Okay.
Groggy. So what is groggy?
Groggy. Um, Groggy is
Okay, go 10. Go 10. Okay, so what is groggy?
Groggy is also like tired and exhausted.
All
Uh,
right.
but it's the like more tiring.
I see. So sad, groggy means feeling sleepy, feeling weak, or not fully alert. Often after right after waking up or when you didn't get enough rest. So make
Yes.
sure after our class you need to rest and you sleep, okay? So that tomorrow you will feel refreshed, okay? Because
Okay.
you will still be having a lot of exams or tests tomorrow. Okay, so how about our next word?
rested,
Rested. So what is
Mm.
rested?
Uh, Rested. It's like it's like sleeping for full 8 hours
Mm-hmm.
and sleeping for full 8 hours, or like feeling feeling energetic again after a
Uh-huh.
break.
All
Uh,
right. You did a very great job on answering the four first questions or first four vocabulary. So rested means feeling relaxed and not tired, usually after sleeping well or taking a break. So it means your body and mind have recovered. So for example, for the rested, I feel rested after a good night's sleep. The student came to class rested and focused. Another example, she looked rested after the weekend. So that's the one. Just like I have told you that after our class, please take a rest so that by tomorrow you will be refreshed and not exhausted. Okay.
okay.
All right. So now our next word here is
badly,
badly. So what
Badly.
is badly?
Okay. Badly is like um no. Badly is like bad, but like more. It can be it can be like working poorly.
Okay.
Also like
Go go.
mm,
Okay. So
um
do you need some help? Do you need some tips?
uh what
Okay. So badly is an adverb. So first, before I continue explaining the word badly, can you tell me what's the difference between adjective and adverb? So what is adjective? What is adverb?
adverb adjective and adverb.
Okay, so what is adjective?
Adjective is like adjective is like telling someone telling someone something,
All
or
right.
telling someone or something uh um
Okay.
I know I know what
you,
adjective is, but I
you
can't
cannot just say it.
okay.
You know exactly in your mind, but you cannot just say it. That's right.
Okay.
All right. So adjective is describes a noun. So a noun is a person, place, or things. So
Yes.
for example, we have what kind, which one, how many. So that is adjective or noun. So for example, she is a good student. He feels tired. The class is interesting. So how about adjective? Oh, okay. How
Adjective,
about what we call it one? The adverb.
adverb. Okay. Adverb.
Go
Hmm.
go ten. Go go ten.
Mm,
Do you want some help?
yes, just a little bit.
Okay, okay. I will give you a question. Adverb describes a verb. So verb, adjective, or another adverb. So, for example, it's the how, when, where, how often. So, example, she studies well. speaks clearly. The students answered very quickly. So that are the example of adverb. So now let's read the first word here.
badly,
So what is badly?
Badly. It's like I don't know again.
Okay, it's okay. I can help you. Okay. So badly is an adverb that means in a poor or incorrect way, or very much or severely, depending on the sentence. Meaning and examples: in a poor way or not well, he played badly in the game. So another example, the student spelled the word badly. Okay, another example, a very much or severely degree. I need to rest badly. She was badly hurt. So that are the examples of the word or the vocabulary badly. So let's
Yes.
have similar words by meaning, okay? We
Okay.
have there poorly or incorrect. That's poor performance. We also have very much or severely. That's strong agree. So that are the
Okay.
example of the word badly. Okay, so now let's have
Yes.
poorly.
poorly,
Poorly.
Okay,
Okay.
what is poorly?
Poorly is like doing something terrible. Like
Uh-huh. Okay. So
yes.
poorly can be used as both an adjective and an adverb. So be careful with the word poorly because it can be used with adjective and in adverb depending on the sentence that you are going to use. Okay, so depending again on the sentence. Okay, so for example, let's have an example for the word poorly on adverb. Okay, so
Okay.
example number one means in a bad or weak way. So describe a verb. Example, he answered the questions poorly. So that's the example, one example of the adverb, okay? He answered the questions poorly. Another example, the students perform poorly on the test. All right. So now let's have an example on the adjective. Means
Okay.
not feeling well or sick. Describe a noun often after feel or be. So example, he feels poorly today. Another example, the child look poorly. Okay. So now let's have that quest. It's not a test, but I want you to answer if it's adjective or adverb, okay? So I will be reading one vocabulary and you need to tell me if it's that's adjective or that's adverb, okay? From the word poorly.
Poorly is
Okay, are you
adverb.
ready? Okay. Okay, wait. I will be giving a word, then I need you to answer if it's adverb or adjective, okay?
Okay.
How about bad? Bad. Is that
Bad.
adjective or adverb?
Adjective. Bad is adjective.
All right, bad is adjective. How about badly?
Okay. And now it's turned into adverb.
All right, adverb. How about poorly?
Poorly is adverb.
How about how? Okay, the adverb of the poorly perform poorly. How about when he's sick? Poorly when he is sick.
Uh. mm, hmm.
Okay, poorly can be used in adverb and adjective depending on the sentence. When we are talking about sick or not feeling well, that's adjective.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so now let's have another word.
well,
Okay. Well,
Well.
What is well?
Well, um, well is um, well is like doing something good.
Okay, all right. So, well is a word that can be used as an adverb or an adjective depending on the sentence. Just the same with poorly, okay? So let's
Wow.
have an example with well. So let's have adverb well. Means in a good or correct way. Describe a verb. So that is an adverb. So for example, she sings well. He did well on the test. The student answered the question well. So those are example of the adverb sentence, okay? Using the well adverb. Okay, so now let's have an adjective. Means healthy or not sick. Okay, so example, I feel well today. He looked well after the illness. Okay, so now can you tell me what are the differences between the adverb and adjective well? Well
Uh,
adjective and well adverb.
difference between two of them.
Okay, yes. What are the difference when we use the both well and adjective and adverb?
Okay. Well, in adjective, it's like
It's like
yeah,
how you feel. Like
yes.
how you feel today. Are you sick? Are you happy? That's the adjective of well. Like you can say, I feel well today, teacher. Something like that. I feel sick today, teacher. I feel I feel yeah. Okay, so that these are the examples of adverb and adjectives of the word well. Okay, so how about the last one?
Perfectly.
Perfectly.
Ooh. That one is my
Sorry.
favorite ever.
Okay, why can you say so?
Perfectly nothing, but it's like 100% correct.
Okay, so right. So perfectly can be used in both adjective or adverbs or only adverb or only adjective.
Okay.
Can perfectly can be both used by adverb and adjective or no?
Okay. Oh, three.
Ah. What do you think? We can use the word perfectly both in adjective or adverb.
Yes.
We can
The English word.
you can use both adjective and adverb.
Ooh. Yes.
Are you sure?
Um,
Are you sure?
I am
Okay, if you say so, can
uh,
you explain it to me? Okay, can you tell me how can we use perfectly an adjective and adverbs?
um, I think it's like like using adjective to like something like the cover fits perfectly into the sink.
How about an adverb?
Adverb is like how oh god,
Go,
my
go,
brain is
go, 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 go.
my brain is loading.
All right. So now, perfectly is an adverb. That means in a perfect or completely correct way. The one that you have said lately, 100% correct. It describes how action is done. So, for example, she explains the lesson perfectly. So, how about right now, Dan? Did I explain the lesson perfectly tonight?
Uh,
Did I explain the lesson perfectly tonight?
yes, perfect. 101%.
Oh, 101%. I am so flattered. Okay, another example. He completed the test perfectly. Another one. The student pronounced the word perfectly like what you did. You pronounce every single word perfectly. Very good on that. So, similar words on perfectly. Flawlessly, correctly, exactly. So these are similar words of the word perfectly. So, and quick reminder, I have a quick reminder about the word perfectly. So, adjective, describe a noun. Perfect. So, perfect score. When we use this one, an adjective, we're not going to say perfectly, but instead, we're going to say perfect. For example, perfect score. But on the adverb, when we say perfectly, yes, describe a verb perfectly. For example, did the best perfectly. Did the task
Uh,
perfectly. Like what you're doing right now. You did it perfectly. You are very good in reading. You are very good at everything and answering every words that I am asking you. So okay. So let's practice. Let's just continue until here and okay. So tell your tutor which of the vocabulary items are positive and which are negative. For example, exhausted is negative, refresh is positive. So, can you tell me one negative? Which one here is negative?
Negative in all 8 letters. Okay. Exhausted, groggy, badly, poorly, or exhausted. No,
Alright.
it's a negative
Okay, how
and
about the positive?
positive. The refresh, rest, the well, perfectly, or positive.
Yes, right. Okay, so on your next class with your teacher, you will be discussing on the exercise 3, okay? So for tonight, Pat, okay. So for tonight, wait, can you hear me?
Yes,
So for
I can hear you.
okay,
I can.
okay, that's great. So for tonight, Pan, I hope you enjoy, you learn, and you have fun during our discussion. So it's so nice meeting you today, and I hope to see you again next time, Tan. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher. Oh my God.
Oh, what happened? Okay,
Goodbye.
goodbye. Take a rest and sleep, okay?
Yes. Oh
Good
my
luck on
God.
your exam tomorrow. Good luck on your test. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, teacher.